Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a fast and easy vegan rice pudding. That's right, this is a great snack that you can make right at your own home. You don't have to go to the grocery store and buy that processed stuff, and you can use alternative ingredients to make it a lot healthier. So with that said, let me show you the ingredients. So the first thing I have is half of a frozen banana. We got 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, but this is sugar free, so that's going to really lower the carbohydrates and also the sugar intake. Then we have some brown rice. Okay, most rice puddings are usually white rice. Now using the brown rice, this has more fiber and this makes it more of a complex carb versus like white rice, which is a simple carb which has no starch, which can turn into glucose, and if you don't use that energy immediately, it can turn into fat. So this is why we're using that brown rice. Then we have half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We got some cinnamon. Cinnamon is very important because it's going to help enrich that flavor but also control your blood sugar levels. This is why we're using that. And then we also have a cup of unsweetened coconut milk. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and just take all the ingredients and we're going to add this right here into the food blender. Food processor. Now here's the thing, you could use a NutriBullet or a Vitamix as an alternative, but just remember when you use that, it's going to be more liquefied, and if you want that true texture of like of a rice pudding with the chunks in there, you probably want to use something that's not so high powered. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our ingredients right now. There we go. Cinnamon. I forgot to also say stevia. All right. Alright, so that's it. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and we're going to check it out. I just need to add a little bit more rice in there, so we're going to grab another measuring cup. And there's about another cup in there. The brown rice that I had was already pre-cooked. I just used a rice cooker for that. This is better. All right, now we got some good consistency. So look at this. This is how rice pudding should be. Tastes really good. Now, with the rice pudding, you could have it warm or hot, or you could even have it cold. It's totally up to you. But let me go ahead and dish it out. Remember, this is just a very fast and simple snack that you can have. And the reason it has that like little brownish color because we're using brown rice and also the cinnamon. So this is why it's going to be a little bit different. And then you could sprinkle just a tad bit of cinnamon on top. And that's your rice pudding. Alright y'all, so this is how you make a fast and easy rice pudding. Like I said, it's super fast, super easy to make. A great snack that you can have. You have it hot or even cold. I prefer it cold. But for this video, we just made it warm, just for, to save a lot of time for you guys. But with that said, this is how you make a rice pudding, all right? All vegan, and it's a lot healthier. Let's go ahead and try it out. Very good, very sweet. Tastes very delicious. Well, my name is Corinne Sutton. When it comes to the recipes and the directions of how to make this dish, that will be in the description box down below as well. If you like this video, please like, share, and tag your friends down below as well in the comment section. But this is how you make a vegan rice pudding. Again, my name is Corinne Sutton. Enjoy.